Hello, what is up mga ma'am, sir, ma'am? Ako po si Ralph Cifra, isang visual artist from Manila, Philippines. And today we are going to unbox and review the Ultraman Tiga Multi-Type na ZD Toys action figure 1/10 scale. Thank you very much Laro Anan for sponsoring this video. Kung gusto niyo bumili pa ng iba pang mga Iron Man, Funjoy, Batman, Superman, Ultraman from Netflix, punta lang kayo sa Laro Anan on Shopee, Laro Anan on Facebook. Alright. So let's start with the packaging. Very high quality cardboard box. Um, you have the Ultraman logo here. 1,650. Yan. Kung gusto nyo bumili, 1,650 only. Mag-send lang kayo ng message kay Laro Anan. Baka meron pa tong discount. Okay? Alright. So you have the shot of the action figure with the pose. You have Tiga. Embossed pa yung text. ZD Toys logo. This product is original and authentic. Hindi siya fake, hindi siya KO, hindi siya bootleg. And then sa likod, I think meron siyang LED na feature. Kaya medyo mahal siya kasi LED version. Okay? Product shot, dynamic poses, accessories, okay? Product information, ZD Toys. Okay, tapos dito sa side na to, meron siyang magnetic flap. Open the flap and you can see the first tray. Nandito yung action figure, second tray and third tray. Nandito yung mga accessories. And also the manual on how to install the battery. Unfortunately, wala akong battery ngayon so hindi natin siya ma-install. Pero ito yung kanyang manual. Okay? Alright, tara, buksan na natin to first tray. Wow, ito pala yung mga batteries. Okay, cool. Alright, unfortunately, hindi natin magagamit kasi parang meron na siyang leak. Okay, nag-leak na yung battery niya. Ayun, no? Dahil medyo matagal na rin na stock sa akin to eh. Ayan, AG1 na maliliit na batteries. Apat na piraso. Very cool, very nice. Okay, this is the Stig. Meron pang nameplate. Alright, this is Ultraman Tiga out of the box. And tanggalin lang natin itong mga plastic niya sa kanyang body. Okay. Stiga, parang hot toy style tong may mga gantong plastic or paper, some sort of paper. Alright, this is Ultraman Tiga out of the box and ang colorway niya para siyang purple, red, silver, and gold. And then for the LED, meron siya dito and dapat meron din sa eyes and dito sa, hindi ko alam kung umiilaw tong part na to, itong diamond. Pero dito sa packaging, umiilaw yung kanyang eyes yellow and then dito, blue. Okay? Very nice. Ganda na ito ah. Ganda ng variation nito kasi yung mga in-unbox natin previously, para siyang metal na armor, yun yung design. Pero dito, para siyang suit na spandex type. So it's mas retro yung feel niya, yung look niya. Mas closer dun sa Ultraman old school or in retro or vintage. Okay? So very large eyes, you have the fin here, very sharp tong part na to, ingat kayo rito. Okay, and then you have parang may mga folds dito sa kanyang back until dito sa kanyang rear part. Okay, tapos meron siyang parang chest armor from the back all around. Dito nagte-taper siya from the back dito sa kanyang shoulder papunta dito sa chest. Tapos meron ding lining ng silver and gold. You have the shoulder armor. Tapos nandito rin yung chest armor. Parang siyang meron siyang V na section sa kanyang chest papunta dito sa stomach and papunta dito sa kabilang chest. Tapos dito sa inner part meron din mga sculpt ng lines. Very cool. Okay? Tapos ito yung arms niya. Medyo nasa medium build yung kanyang proportion. This is around 7 inches tall yung mga 1/10 scale. Okay? Tapos ito yung kanyang middle section. Ganda ng ano. Oh, nice. Cool. Ganda nito kasi minsan yung mga action figures kapag binend mo na ganyan, may makikita kang malaking gap. Pero dito naman kay Ultraman wala. Kahit dito sa likod. Okay, that's very nice. Okay. Cool. Then dito sa legs makikita niyo yung tape, yung fold ng kanyang suit. And then you also have the silver part here na nagte-taper din papunta dun sa taas. So mas thick dito, then panipis papunta dito sa kanyang upper part ng kanyang or middle torso or sa waist pala. Then you have the knee pads. Yung inner part ng kanyang suit ay red. Tapos yung outer naman ay para siyang purple. Tama eh. Nasa purple eh. Hindi siya blue eh. Okay? Yun yung kanyang colorway and appearance. Okay? In terms of articulation, head can look up, down, 360. Ayun no, merong screw. Nice. Very cool. Okay? Tapos yung, okay. Na bend ba yung neck? Okay. Wala. Okay, nice. Tatanggal din pala yung neck niya. Okay, nice. Cool. Okay. Tapos, merong butterfly joint. Okay. You can also rotate this. Tapos, double jointed yung elbow. Ball joint yung kamay. You can do some stretches, twists. Okay. Crunch, pwede rin. No extensions. Okay. Hindi na siya na-extend. Pero malaki na rin yung stretch niya. Okay. Pull it down. Yung kick that far, pwede rin i-rotate para mas mataas yung kick. Then, double jointed yung knee. Tama, yung knee. And then, ball joint yung paa. Tapos, meron din siyang toe articulation. Okay, for the accessories, meron siyang 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8 extra hands, some blue effect part, some wand type na meron siyang white handle and gold parts. Tapos dito, ito yung kanyang beam. I-equip natin yan dito sa kanyang right hand. Okay? Mamaya, gawin natin. Merong dalawang pole. Okay? 2 poles and 1 rectangular section. Tapos ito yung kanyang base. Very nice rectangular base. I-attach na lang natin tong connector dito sa gitna. And we are also going to attach the pole. Spring-loaded naman tong pole so you can pose Ultraman sa mga dynamic na positions na gusto nyo. Yan. Yung nameplate niya, pwede mo lagay dito. Yan. And then you can also attach the wand here. Try natin i-equip tong beam. So tanggalin lang natin yung kanyang arm. And then i-equip natin to. Okay, let's just push. Okay. Tama ba to? Oh, there you go. Astig. Ngayon lang ako nagkaroon ng Ultraman fig na merong beam and then nakaka-post ng ganito. Tapos mayroon pang LED. That's very cool. Nakalagay dun sa likod, kailangan nyo to for balancing this, yung beam. Pero hindi na kailangan, nakatayo naman siya. Oh. Galing. Very stable and pwede siyang tumayo kahit na wala yung mga transparent na poles. Okay? So yun lang mga ma'am sir, that's it. Yun ang ating review ng Ultraman Tiga Multitype. Okay? Kung gusto nyo bumili ng Ultraman Tiga, punta lang kayo sa Laruanan on Facebook or Laruanan on Shopee. Alright, so yun lang mga ma'am sir, that's it. Thank you very much for watching and see you sa next video. Bye-bye!